My name is Mark Fanning. I'm the Commercial Director for Aldwick Court Farm. Aldwick Court Farm, otherwise known as ACF, has been a working farm for many generations. And as time has moved on, so has the farm and the type of work carried out on the premises. Today, I want to talk to you about our drying machines and the produce we currently process. The primary product is grass and alfalfa. Having our own 300 acres devoted to this crop, we are able to cut, spread, harvest and take it from the field to the dryers, which in turn helps retain the quality and the protein. The crop is fast growing, and so we're able to harvest 3 or 4 times a season, yielding over 1,000 tonnes a year. Grass is placed onto a hopper, then levelled to a consistent depth. Hot air is then blown through louvers to remove the moisture. To ensure an even drying of the product, the grass is gently turned throughout the whole process. Once dried, it is then baled, and then from there it's taken to wholesalers and distributed around the country and sold for horse feed. We also use grass to create grass nuts. Each year, ACF takes delivery of a large amount of fruit pomace from a local drinks company. This involves using a different machine called a triple pass rotary dryer. A rotary dryer has a number of functions and is versatile enough to use for different purposes. The crop is placed into a hopper which then feeds into a triple pass rotary drum. However, instead of going through a milling machine, it's diverted through a number of sieves, which results in the separation of seed from the dry skins. The number of products that the dryers can handle is widespread, from farm crops to wood shavings to confectionery byproducts. We've been building, modifying and running drying machines for over 20 years. As with all technology, there are improvements to be made and good practices to be learnt and adopted. We believe at ACF we have the skill sets required to build a dryer that meets with each individual customer's requirements, not only providing the hardware but the advice and training required to run a successful dryer, or to put it into a farming term, experts in our field.